Imagine this. You're 15 and getting paid for what you love. You're not just a teen anymore. You're tomorrow's boss in the making. Why wait until you're older to start earning when you can start stacking cash today? Whether it's for that next level gaming setup, a shopping spree, or just having extra cash for fun, I've got you covered with the ultimate 2024 money-making hacks for 15-year-olds. Before we dive in, quick note, some of these side hustles have digital versions that require you to be 18 or have parental consent to use the app. But don't worry, I'll also mention alternatives that let you get started right away without needing a grown-up to sign off. Number 10, freelancing. Your skills are in demand. Got a talent like graphic design, writing, or even social media management? Freelancing platforms like Fiverr allow users 13 and older, but you might need a parent to handle the legal parts. However, you can easily use Instagram or TikTok to showcase your talents and find clients without needing to go through a platform. Promote your skills, and you'll be stacking cash in no time. Number 9, family business. Learn and earn. If your family runs a business, this is a great opportunity to jump in and help out. Whether it's working the cash register, helping with deliveries, or even managing their social media, it's not only a way to make money, but also to learn the ropes of running a business. Plus, it's a hustle that doesn't need any apps or age restrictions. Number 8, entertainment jobs. Lights, camera, action. Got a talent for acting, singing, or modeling? The entertainment world is always looking for young talent. You might need parental permission for certain jobs, but there are local gigs and talent agencies that scout for young people. If you got the skills, why not get paid while you're at it? Number 7, eBay flipping. The art of the deal. Got an eye for hidden treasures? Try eBay flipping. Flea markets, yard sales, and even Facebook Marketplace are full of items you can buy at a bargain and resell for a profit. eBay requires you to be 18, but you can start reselling locally using social media or neighborhood apps to find buyers. Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook groups are great places to advertise your finds. Number 6, sell crafts or handmade stuff. Get creative. If you love making jewelry, artwork, or custom items, sites like Etsy are great for selling your creations online. However, since Etsy requires sellers to be 18, you'll need a parent's help if you want to sell there. Alternatively, use Instagram to showcase your creations and sell directly to friends and followers. You can even use TikTok to show off your creative process. Who knows, you might go viral. Number 5, tutoring. Share what you know and get paid. If you're a math genius or crushing it in English class, why not help others and get paid for it? Apps like Wyzant require you to be 18, but you can offer tutoring to classmates, younger students, or even family friends without the need for an app. Plus, tutoring is a great way to flex your academic muscles and make money at the same time. Number 4, yard work and gardening. Get paid to get outside. If you don't mind a bit of manual labor, offer to help neighbors with mowing lawns, raking leaves, or planting flowers. This one is a classic because it doesn't have any age restrictions, and you don't need an app to get started. Create some flyers or post a few stories on Instagram offering your services, and soon enough, you'll have a weekend gig that keeps the cash coming in. Number 3, pet sitting or dog walking. For animal lovers only. Why not get paid to hang out with cute animals? Pet sitting or dog walking is a fun way to earn money and hang out with furry pals. Apps like Rover are popular, but they require you to be 18. No worries though. Offer your services directly to neighbors or post about it on social media. You could become the go-to pet whisperer in your neighborhood. No app required. Number 2, babysitting, the OG teen job. Babysitting has been around forever, and for good reason. It pays well. If you're good with kids, or at least good at keeping them from setting the house on fire, this might be your ticket to fast cash. While Care.com requires you to be 18, you can easily bypass that by offering your services directly to neighbors or family friends. Spread the word using flyers, or better yet, create a digital flyer on Canva and share it on your Instagram or TikTok. Number 1, online surveys. Easy money from your phone. Yep, you can get paid just for sharing your opinion. Sites like Swagbucks let teens 13 and up with parental consent take surveys in their spare time. Whether you're on the bus, chilling at home, or killing time between Fortnite matches, this is easy cash. Just remember to check with your parents before you sign up. Imagine where you could be in just a few months. Which hustle are you gonna try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on building your income. Now go get that money.